Welcome to Welborn Middle School Virtual Open House. My name is Michelle Phillips, and I am your Scholars Texas History teacher. I am thrilled to have them in my Texas History class this year. A little bit about myself. I am a mother. I have 9-year-old girl-boy twins who are 4th graders in this district, and my husband and I have been married for 13 years. College Station is definitely home to us now. We've lived here for about 8 years, and we moved here from East Texas. I am a Texas girl through and through. I was born and raised in Pampa, Texas, which is in the panhandle of Texas, just about an hour north of Amarillo. After high school, I moved to East Texas, to Tyler, where I graduated with my bachelor's degree from the University of Texas in Tyler. That's also where I met my husband, and after 5 years of marriage, we moved here to College Station. He works for Texas A&M, and we absolutely love living here. Let's talk a little bit about my Schoology page, and I'll show you around. Take a look at my Teacher Go page. The first picture on my Teacher Go page is my Bitmoji classroom, but it's not just a picture, it's also a link, and I want to show you what it's linked to. It's linked to the Bob Bullitt Museum. The Bob Bullitt Museum is a fantastic supporter of Texas history teachers, and it is also a fantastic museum. If you're ever in Austin, Texas, when it opens back up, I highly encourage you and your scholars to take a look. We won't be going on a field trip there this year, but we'll be taking advantage of their many virtual field trips. The Bob Bullitt Museum website also offers a ton of additional support information. So if your scholar is ever curious about any extra information about Texas history, they're welcome to go on over to the Bob Bullitt Museum and check it out. Below my Bitmoji classroom are my office hours. I have virtual courses this year, and I have campus courses. I have my office hours posted so that I can fully give my attention to my virtual courses in the morning and give my full attention to my on-site courses and students in the afternoon. Let's take a look below that. I have icons that say About Me. You can learn additional information about me. Announcements. These are linked to the Welborn Middle School daily announcements. My syllabus is linked here. I would highly encourage you to take a look at that. Our Welborn Middle School tutorial schedule is linked below the top 3. And the Welborn Middle School homepage website, and our Texas History Year at a Glance. This will give you great guiding information as to what unit we're on and where we're going. I have linked Active Classroom below that. Active Classroom is a new tool that CSISD recently adopted, and we will be using that a lot in our classroom this year. Active Classroom brings history to life and gives it an interactive nature, and I absolutely love utilizing technology and all of the tools and resources that we have available to us. So we'll be using devices a lot in my course or in my classroom this year. Below that is my Amazon teacher wish list for our classroom, and below that is our week of lessons. You can see that we have 3 weeks of lessons already. If you click on one of those weeks, it will simply pull up a week at a glance. This week at a glance is for you and your scholar so that you will know exactly what to expect throughout the school year. In addition to lessons, I want to show you exactly how to contact me. If you should need to contact me, my preferred method of contact is either through Schoology messaging, which is right up here in the right-hand corner. There's a message or an envelope icon. You can click on that. Simply message me through that, or you can email me. My email information will be found under my syllabus. You can take a look at that, and here's my email address. All right, I also want to point out that Schoology has more than just materials. In Schoology, there's also an updates page. If I need to send out an immediate update to you or your scholars, I'll post a quick message here, just like I've posted for Open House. There's also a fantastic gradebook feature in Schoology. This gradebook feature will display or represent only Schoology grades. So make sure that you are checking HACC for the final average of your scholar's grade. That's all I have for you this evening in Texas history. I look forward to getting to know you and your scholar more this year, and I'm so thankful that you're sharing them with me. Take care.